503,000, make it 504,000 for the doubles, and they roll. Buko Juice running on the outside, and moving up now in between runners is Diamond Magic, running by the rail, Sir Frederick, then followed by Banay Banay, and moving up Madame Leonora Core Duo by the rail is entry number 6 is Stellar Ace as they race towards the last 800. Diamond Magic takes command. Buko Juice running on the outside by the rail, Sir Frederick. Then followed by Banay Banay Core Duo moving up on the outside. Next in line is Madame Leonora as they race at the last 600 and now going to the final 450. Buko Juice takes the lead from the outside, moving up Core Duo by the rail, Diamond Magic as they swing for home. Buko Juice running at the center. Diamond Magic is running by the rail. Core Duo is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Buko Juice this time by about 2 lengths. Core Duo is on the outside. With 100 to go, Buko Juice by about 2 lengths over Core Duo. And finally, Buko Juice. Core Duo, then comes number 1, Blue Chic, Sir Frederick, Banay Banay.